In this session, we're going to be multiplying polynomials together. Now, the method that we're going to start out using is called the FOIL method. The FOIL method stands for first, outside, inside, and then last. So to start off with a simple example, we'll have x plus 4 times x plus 1. So first we're going to multiply the first component of each. So it'll be an x times an x. We get an x squared. Then we'll go with the outside, which would be this x again and this 1. So we have plus 1x. Then the insides, which would be these two, 4 times an x, so we get plus 4x. And then the lasts, which would be the 4 times the 1 to get a plus 4. Then from here, all we need to do are add like terms, and we're done. So here we have an x and a 4x, so we'll have x squared plus 5x plus 4. Let's take a look at another example. Let's say we have 2x minus 3 times x plus 7. So again, we're going to go by the FOIL method. So the firsts together, we're going to get a 2x squared. Then the outsides, we're going to get a plus 14x. Then the insides, we're going to get a minus 3x. And the lasts, we'll get a minus 21. For a final answer of 2x squared plus 11x minus 21. Now sometimes when we're multiplying together polynomials, we cannot use the FOIL method. For instance, this problem, 3m squared plus 8m minus 1 times m plus 5. Here it's more complicated than a first, outside, inside, last. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the first one and distribute that to each. Then we're going to take the second part, distribute that to each. And then finally the third part, distribute that to each. So by doing that, if I could change the color here, so a 3m squared and an m would give us 3m cubed, and then our 3m squared again times a 5 would give us plus 15m squared. Then we have the 8m times the m, so we'll get plus 8m squared, or 8m again with the 5 now to get a plus 40m. And then finally, we'll take the negative 1 and distribute that first to the m to get a minus m, and then to the 5 to get a minus 5. And now all we need to do are add like terms. So here is the only m cubed term, so we'll have 3m cubed, and we have 2m squared terms to give us a total of 23m squared. We have 2m terms to give us plus 39m, and then just one constant for a minus 5. And this would be our final answer.